Hello, I am Mukti Patel and I am from Vapi. I just cleared my intermediate, and the reason I believe I cleared my intermediate was because of Navkar's examination system. Well, I am a student of Navkar, and Navkar has this well-established examination system where it takes exam every Sunday. Initially, आपकी exam होगी Sundays को for topics, not subjects, topics. So, accounts में insurance claim की test, so that you do not forget what is being taught in the class, and आगे जाके you will have prelims. Well elaborated prelim system where it will be taken four times prelims. You will give confidence. किसको नहीं आएगा? You get to know कितना आपको आता है, कितना नहीं आता. Self evaluation very much important. Navkar Institute ये करवाता है. जहाँ पे भी मुझे doubt आया, I can go freely to any faculty members. And faculty members अगर busy है, Navkar keeps separate tutors who teach you, who clear your concepts at any time, at anywhere. ब्रेक में जाओ या ऐसे भी जाओ, they'll clear your doubt. नवकार के हमेशा से रहा है कि वो portion has always been completed from 3 to 4 months before. So there are students like me. I am from Vapi. I go Vapi. वहाँ पे अगर मुझे कोई doubt आया तो there is this question always, what shall I do now? So उसके लिए you can call the faculty members, and ये नहीं तो video lectures are available. नवकार ये भी फैसिलिटी आपको प्रोवाइड करेगा कि आप वीडियो लेक्चर देख के अपना कंसेप्ट या डाउट जो भी आया है एट सम डिस्टेंट प्लेसेस यू कैन कवर दैट, यू कैन क्लियर दैट कंसेप्ट राइट देयर. ये सब ठीक, बट द डे कम्स व्हेन एक्चुअल एग्जामिनेशन कम्स. वी स्टूडेंट्स आर सो स्ट्रेस्ड आउट, इतनी सारी एंग्जाइटी होती है, बट अगेन नवकार टू योर रेस्क्यू. क्योंकि मैंने अभी जस्ट दी मेरी इंटरमीडिएट एग्जाम. आई नो नवकार ने इतनी हेल्प की, एंड नॉट जस्ट कोचिंग वाली हेल्प, दैट इज़ फॉर श्योर, बट वहाँ पे उन्होंने स्टॉल्स लगवाए थे जहाँ पे नींबू पानी, छाछ, एवरीथिंग वॉज प्रोवाइडेड. Faculty members have been so supportive in that way as well, that if I cannot attend any lectures due to some unavoidable reasons, there are recovery lectures from where I can clear whatever was taught in the other lecture where I was not present. I think this is an amazing facility which they are providing, because students find it very much difficult to go ahead without clearing the downs which are already pending. So the recovery lectures have been a great help to me personally, and I feel to you it will be always be, because the faculty members have been really educated and skilled and qualified, that it is just amazing. The thing is, now we have to go out of the world. After completing your intermediate, आपका start होगा articleship. For that articleship, you have to get trained, and Navkar is providing that facility by pre-articleship training. Now, pre-articleship training में क्या होगा? So there are so many faculty members helping you, plus the people coming from outside who are actually working in some banks or big fours or कहाँ से भी, and they are training you, they are telling whatever they are experiencing in their life. I feel that is just amazing. Why? Because you get to know real stuff, not just something which is written in the books, but which is practically happening in reality, in the real world. I think this is amazing, and it is helping me right now a lot, because I just gave my intermediate exam, and placement का भी Navkar करती है. They bring companies come in Navkar, we give our interviews there, and we get placement offers from there, and I feel this is something which everyone wants. Navkar Institute, we believe in the West.